Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a profile picture to your Zotero account. Now you want to go ahead and head over to the Zotero website and sign into your account, and once you're here you will be able to see your profile on the upper right hand side. Now keep in mind that if you just create an account you might not see yours showing the name. This is the public name, and you can always go ahead and change this at any point in time once you create your profile. And during the process of showing you how to change your picture or upload a picture, I'm going to show you how you can change this as well. So you want to click on your profile. You'll have a drop down here and you will see my profile. You click on that and here you will find the details about yourself. In case you don't have any information here about yourself, you will just need to click on edit profile and fill in those details here. And this is where you have your public name. If you don't have a public name filled, you will see your profile showing your username, right? So you will be able to see the username there. But if you have your profile filled with your real name or whatever your name you choose to fill, you'll be able to see that on your profile. Now to upload a picture, on the right hand side, as you can see, it says upload. You just need to go ahead and choose upload, find a picture. I don't know if I have something here, but let's use, for example, this car here, and I'm going to select this car and just basically click and upload. And yeah, you get the idea. You can choose how you want to adjust and fit your picture, then click and save, and guess what, your image is now uploaded to your account. And that's it. Go ahead at the bottom now guys and just simply click and save, and that's it. Your profile is now uploaded with the picture and it's now saved to your public profile. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.